This is the CSTEPS Project, Collaborative Sketch Tools for Engineering Problem Solving. The CSTEPS Project is focused on the design of tools to support collaborative sketching in introductory engineering classes at the university level. Across the nation, we're introducing collaborative problem-based activities into introductory engineering courses, recognizing the importance of collaboration as an engineering skill. However, we know from a wide range of literature across the field of collaborative learning that it's actually difficult for students to engage in successful collaborative learning and collaborative problem-solving activities. We're collecting data in one of the large introductory classes in the engineering school here, where about 600 students per semester get enrolled. These students are being introduced to collaborative problem-based activities in their discussion sections, and our tools are going to be used in collaboration with the teaching assistants and instructors to support the collaborative problem-based activities going on in these classes.
Students come in as sophomores, sometimes even freshmen, and they're not really used to working teams and collaborating, and that's kind of the goal in mechanical engineering and a lot of different departments. So when they come as freshmen, they're not used to it, and then we decided to start introducing collaborative learning in statics.
So this tool allows the teaching assistant to project the task to the interactive whiteboard or shared display, which all the students in the class can see. This gives him some time to explain to the students what the point of the activity is for the day. He then sends it out to their devices, their tablets, their large screens, their smaller screens, and gives them some time to work on the project.
So the first thing that a student has to do in statics to solve any problem is to draw the so-called free body diagram. And that free body diagram is very important, and I'd say a majority of students that make a mistake in a problem is on the sketch. All the assumptions are on that sketch. So the sketching portion is critical.
It isn't really hard to teach students to sketch in engineering. From the time that we're very little children, we draw shapes in the sand with sticks. The hard part is actually connecting the sketching to communication, problem solving, and sense making in a learning environment.
Being able to create a joint representation for everybody in the group to see where they think they're looking at, what piece of the problem they think they're dealing with, is incredibly important. The teaching assistant projects them to the shared display, asking a member of each group to come up and explain what the group was doing during the activity. This gives him the opportunity to explain to the whole class what the activity was about, to recap the learning goals of the class, and to give the students an opportunity to practice communicating their ideas to a large audience. The use of collaborative activities in these classes provides the opportunities for students to recognize a broader range of practices and skills that are necessary for engineers, hopefully leading to increased persistence in the discipline.